Welcome to God Academy. Today we'll be diving into the art of keyframe mastery using CapCut. This is the first video in a full course of mastering keyframes, and we'll be releasing the lessons in a series. By the end of this journey, you'll be able to create stunning animations and dynamic effects that will help you elevate your video editing skills. If that's what you want to learn, let's jump right in and get started. So for the first video or animation, we're going to do the moving car. I'm going to drop a link to all the assets in the description. So first we want to import, I have a folder. First I'm going to try to import the grid that we're going to use as the background for the video. So I think I have it here. Okay. So now that I've imported into my project, I also need to import, let me just import everything at once. So we need the car. Where are you? We need a car. All right. So there you go, I have it imported. So first thing I want to do is add my background to my timeline, and I will try to reduce the opacity so that it's like the background and it doesn't like prevent whatever will be in the foreground from being seen. So I want to go to blend, try to zoom this so you can see. I'll probably do that in post-production. So I'll reduce the opacity. You can reduce yours as much as you're comfortable with, but for me, I think I'll leave mine at 15 because this works fine for me. So back to my, I'm going to now import the car to my timeline, the start of the video. So there you go. So apparently the car has a background, so you would want to remove the background. Thankfully CapCut has auto remover and chroma key, but we're going to use auto remover here. So I'm going to click on auto remover to remove it. So it has processed and has removed it. So one more thing, I would need like a lane across here. So how you can do that is use your text. You can even do this before you move in your car or import your car. So first I'm going to select the default text. So when I do that, I will change, and I can use an underscore to create a line. So that's what I'm going to do. So I just need a lane. So now that I've done that, I'm going to try to move this down. I want it to complete my entire video. So I'm going to place it somewhere. That's why I like that I have grids so that I can work with it. But then I want the car to be coming from here, left to right, because we're trying to move the car from point A to point B. Let me reduce it a bit. I would flip it. So there is an icon here in CapCut where you can mirror, and when you mirror it, it just goes to the opposite direction like that along the x-axis. So yeah, I'm going to put the car here. This one is fairly easy, so easy. So we're going to, now that we have this selected, I would want to go and add my keyframe. So always take note of this always take note of this value here. So you can choose to do it on transform or you do it on position. So make sure that your play, this I don't know what to call it, but whatever this is has to be at the beginning of the video. So you're going to select your keyframe here from the start of the video, and then you move it to the end, and then you're going to move the car from here to here, and you see how you slide smoothly. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do right now, let me try to keep my mic in position where I can. So I'm holding down shift and I'm holding my trackpad, mouse. I don't know what you guys may be using, maybe you're using a desktop. So I'm going to hold down shift because I want something smooth. I'm going to hold this and I will move it straight across the screen till I get to wherever I want it to stop. So you see what I've done. So you see that it has created keyframe. So always note this value. I think at the beginning we started with 531. I'm not sure, but always like note this value here. I'm not sure it's same. So I'm going to try to play it, and you notice how the car moves across the screen. So you see, super easy, very easy, straight to the point. You can just move from point A to point B with keyframes, very easy. So you could also choose to like increase the font size of the line, whichever way you want. You can increase or reduce it. It depends on how you like it. And you notice that I also added like a glow effect. So you can just scroll down here under this basic tab and make sure you check glow. Make sure it is ticked, all right, and that'll be all.